As a marine engineer, my day often begins in the engine room, a bustling hub of activity and critical operations. Watchkeeping duties are not just routine, they are essential for the safe and efficient running of the vessel. Each shift, I take on the responsibility of monitoring engine parameters. This means keeping a close eye on temperature gauges, pressure levels, and fuel consumption. These readings are vital indicators of the engine's health and performance. One of my key responsibilities is to check the systems regularly. I inspect the cooling systems, fuel systems, and lubrication systems to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If something seems off, it's my job to troubleshoot the issue before it escalates. Logging hourly readings is another crucial task. This documentation not only helps in tracking performance trends, but also serves as a reference for future maintenance and inspections. Responding to alarms is a critical part of my role. Alarms can indicate anything from a minor issue to a major malfunction. When an alarm goes off, I must act swiftly and decisively. I assess the situation, determine the cause, and take appropriate action to resolve it. This requires a solid understanding of the engine's systems and a calm demeanor under pressure. Cleanliness and safety in the engine room cannot be overstated. A clean workspace reduces the risk of accidents and equipment failure. I make it a point to keep the area tidy, ensuring that tools and materials are stored properly. Safety protocols are always at the forefront of my mind. Wearing the right personal protective equipment and following safety guidelines is essential to prevent injuries. Assisting with maintenance is another aspect of my job that I find rewarding. Whether it's changing filters, lubricating moving parts, or conducting routine inspections, hands-on work keeps me engaged and helps me learn more about the systems I operate. Collaborating with my team during maintenance tasks fosters a sense of camaraderie and ensures that we all contribute to the vessel's operational efficiency. In summary, the role of a marine engineer during watchkeeping is multifaceted and dynamic. From monitoring engine parameters to ensuring safety and cleanliness, every duty plays a vital role in the overall performance of the ship. The knowledge and skills I gain in the engine room not only enhance my career, but also contribute to the safety and success of our ocean journeys.